These cleanup instructions are for water-based paints only. See your owner's manual for oil-based cleanup and for complete cleaning instructions. Begin by turning the prime spray knob down to the prime position to relieve the system pressure. Remove the cup assembly and pump filter from the sprayer and set the sprayer on a rag. Remove the cup lid and pour any extra paint back into the paint can. Clean all the parts with warm water, including the inside of the vacuum valve. Fill a clean cup assembly half full with water and reattach it to the sprayer. Verify the prime spray knob is pointed down to the prime position. Set the speed control to the highest setting available. Turn the sprayer upside down and trigger for 15 seconds. Refill the cup assembly to the halfway mark with clean water and reattach it to the sprayer. Turn the prime spray knob forward to the spray position and turn the spray tip to the unclogged position. Turn the sprayer upside down and trigger it for 15 seconds. Turn the spray tip to the spray position and trigger it for 15 seconds. Repeat the cleaning steps as needed until the sprayer is clean. Turn the prime spray valve to the prime position to relieve system pressure. Unplug the power cord. Remove the spray tip and clean it with warm water and an old toothbrush. Also clean the spray tip guard and pump filter. Reinstall the spray tip and turn it 90 degrees for storage. Empty the remaining fluid from the cup, and finally, wipe the paint off the outside of the sprayer using a soft cloth dampened with warm water. Before storing your sprayer, be sure it's filled with pump armor storage fluid for trouble-free startup. With the sprayer upside down, pour approximately 2 ounces of pump armor into the pump opening. Install a clean pump filter into the pump. Keep the sprayer upside down and attach the cup assembly onto the sprayer. Plug the sprayer into the grounded power source. Then over a waste pail, pull the trigger. As fluid comes out of the spray tip, immediately let go of the trigger. Turn the prime spray valve to the prime position to relieve system pressure and immediately back to the spray position for storage. Unplug the power cord. Then replace the child-resistant cap on the pump armor bottle and tighten securely for the next use. Your sprayer is now clean and ready for storage.